Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Archip News. Today we're going to talk about altcoins. Mirror, mirror on the wall, is altcoin season here after all? After the sharp rise in Bitcoin to almost $100,000 and the recent market correction, many people have been asking themselves and have been wondering, well, is it now the time that altcoins finally move into focus? Traditionally, there is a cycle with different distinct phases in crypto. So first off, you have Bitcoin that dominates, followed by Ethereum, and then finally its altcoins move. For a true altcoin season to come along, however, Ethereum really has to outperform and join the party. Ethereum is and remains the largest altcoin by market cap, so this means that Ethereum really needs to not only perform in US dollars, but also perform or outperform against Bitcoin. Such an outperformance by Ethereum would go hand in hand with a decline in Bitcoin dominance, which is another prerequisite for a comprehensive altcoin season. This really means that Bitcoin dominance would have to fall sustainably from its level at 60% where it is at right now. So what are the defining signs that a altcoin season could just be around the corner? First, during the recent Bitcoin correction, Ethereum was quite stable in terms of Bitcoin, indicating a potential bottom. Second, also an interesting fact is that Ethereum found its bottom historically when the Federal Reserve started easing again. So moving from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing and having an expansionary monetary policy. Now, financial experts are suspecting that this could be happening in early 2025. Third, another piece of evidence comes from the traditional stock index Russell 2000, which is an index that tracks the small caps in the US, or the small companies in the US. When this index is doing well, it is generally considered that the risk appetite among investors is quite good. And as a matter of fact, the Russell 2000 is currently approaching its all-time high that it had in 2021, which kind of indicates that this overall market optimism could also boost altcoins. And fourth, last but not least, we have the so-called altcoin season index, which tries to measure how many altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin over a 90-day period. And this altcoin index is currently also picking up and rising again, indicating that alt season could just be around the corner. Now, what are reasons that could muddy this outlook? For one, we still have MicroStrategy that is relentlessly buying Bitcoin. But the thing is, MicroStrategy is buying Bitcoin and is only buying Bitcoin. This mainly has an effect on the Bitcoin price, and if it does at all, is only indirectly affecting the altcoin market. Second, also other capital from the TradFi market is mostly moving into Bitcoin ETFs. Once it is in these Bitcoin ETF, this capital is trapped and it doesn't automatically trickle down into the broader crypto market. And yes, although there is also an Ethereum ETF, the demand for this product has been comparatively low. In fact, since these Ethereum ETFs have started trading, they have seen inflows of about 113 million of inflows, while at the same time, the much bigger Bitcoin ETFs, they have seen inflows of about 30 billion in total. This is almost 270 times as much that flowed into Bitcoin ETFs. If we put this into relation with the market capitalization of both of these assets, we can see that Bitcoin's market cap is only 4.5 times larger than Ethereum's, which then also goes to show again that these inflows into the Ethereum ETFs have surely disappointed and have been below expectations so far. So, what is the summary of all of this? There is a clear chance that now is the time for a proper altcoin season. However, it is also highly likely that this altcoin season will not be as pronounced as in the past, and maybe that it will just play out differently given that the overall market structure of the crypto markets have changed. What do you think is the imminent future of altcoins? Is it now their time to shine? Feel free to share your opinion in the comments. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and see you next time.